Hey everyone, welcome to the Built in Calgary team's daily segment, Get to Know Your Hood. Today we are showcasing the southeast community of Acadia. Located between Deerfoot Trail and Macleod Trail, this community has wide lots, it has mature tree-lined streets, as you can see, and it's centrally located. And that might just be the best thing about Acadia is its proximity to everything, whether that be restaurants and businesses along Macleod Trail, down in Deerfoot Meadows where you have Costco, Ikea, and over 50 stores, walking distance to 2 C train stations, and only a 15-minute commute downtown. You can't really beat that. But what really makes this community unique is just how much it caters to families. There's 8 schools in Acadia alone. There's 2 French Immersion Catholic schools. There's a public elementary, middle school, and high school. There's 2 chartered academies, as well as a UNESCO all-French K-12 school. So the unique situation is you can enroll your kid in school here, but you have options as well. And not many communities offer that wide a range of schools. As well, something very cool. It actually has the province's largest tennis facility. There's 8 courts indoors, 5 courts outdoors. So if you love tennis, you want to get your sweat on, Acadia is the place to be. And you know, it really is no surprise that this community is consistently rated as one of the top communities in Calgary. Going through a stage of gentrification, it's perfect for young professionals and families alike. It really is a lovely community. And if you have any more questions about Acadia, or any communities for that matter, give us a call, 403-860-0285. And remember, we're not just Calgary realtors, we're born and raised Calgarians.